Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to sign up on Zoom for free video conferencing call. So firstly open any web browser and after that type zoom.us and press enter. Now here is the option sign up. It's free. So just click on it. Enter your work email address or any email address, and also you can sign up with Google or Facebook. So I will sign up with my Google account. Select your Gmail and click on create account. Now click on plan and pricing. So there are free and pro plans. So friends, in the free plan you can host up to 100 participants, and also you can unlimited one-to-one meetings, 40-minute limit on group meetings, unlimited number of meetings, online support, and there are some pro version, so you will get the more feature. Now you can host meetings, join meeting, or schedule a meeting. So friends, if you want to host a meeting, so just click on host a meeting with video on or screen share only or with video off, so as your requirement. Like if you want to with video, so just click on with video on. Now a download should start automatically in a few seconds. If it's not download, so click there and open that downloaded Zoom and click on my account. So now it's your personal ID. Use this ID for instant meetings, and also you can change from here by editing add. Now click on that downloaded app and click on invite. You can invite your friends by Gmail or Yahoo Mail, and also you can copy URL and you can send that URL to your friend. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method we can know how to create an account on Zoom, and in the next video I'm gonna to show you how to host a meeting, and also in the next video I'm gonna to cover on schedule meeting. So that's it friends. By this easy and simple method we can know how to create an account on Zoom for free video conferencing call. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.